Okay, we are here. We're gonna be looking at more tools today. This one is the 5-inch Cobra water pump pliers from knipex. I bought these, okay? I've wanted like the whole range of them, and these are the smaller ones of the ones I already have. Now, here in the next couple months, we'll probably be getting the one that's below this one as well. And I really want to get the one, because we have the one that would be here, and then really want to get the one that's over here. Although they make big, massive ones. It's just that I kind of would like to go all the way up to at least the, I think it's the 15-inch size. And as small as they go, because there are certain fasteners that I want to use something like this on, but they're in a tight spot. And you know, having that kind of a range would be the best for what we do here on the channel and overall what I do in my general life. Now we're going to cut this thing open because this is actually clamshell packaging with just a heat seal around it. So we're going to cut this. And we should be able to pry it out here. Oh. Okay, yeah. You can see how they are a lot smaller than these ones. I think that there's one that's actually between this one and this one in size. But you know, hey, we'll probably get, you know, at least the one that's bigger here, and if I can find the one that I think is between these two, we're gonna get that one. And I know for sure that I really want to get the one that goes here. I totally forgot how grippy these are. Well, these have been shot with brake clean. You can tell these have been torched with a torch. They've been in service now for 4 years, and they've they have done everything from opening beer bottles to breaking lug nuts free, and everything in between. So when I saw these, I'm like, I knew I'd have a place for them. Now, I've got to lube these up like I did these, because these, they don't really come with a lot of lube on them, and I kind of understand why. Because realistically, if you're using these in a certain environment where certain lubes are nay-nay, you kind of gotta go with the lubricant that is right for your application. So, I really just wanted to do an unboxing video and show that, yeah, they do make littler ones. And yeah, they grip in. They grip in tight. So, you know what these are going to be perfect for? Screwdrivers. Where you can hold it and crank it out for. That's what these little ones are for. Because sure, I can do it with the big one, but there's places that the screwdriver can go, but these can't because of the length. So it's actually nice to have a decent setup. So, in closing, folks, these are really nice tools. I really do recommend them, and yeah. If you haven't tried them, give them a shot. And this is an unpaid review, okay? Unboxing. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.